Hi everyone, welcome back. New day, new sound. But before we do that, sound revision. Can you tell me what sound this is? Ch. Good job. This is a sound ch, and it's a sound we looked at in our previous lesson. Now, using the actions, can you tell me what word this is? Chin. Good job. Chin. Uncle Sam's chin has beards. Chin. Great. Now let's go into today's story as we look at our new sound. Shadrach and Sharon have a new baby sister, Shekinah. The baby has been crying lots, but the mother finally gets her to sleep just as Shadrach and Sharon come home from school. They come into the house shouting. Shh, says their mother. Please, don't wake the baby up. Now, in today's lesson, we are introducing the sound shh. Yes, shh. And it's represented by the letters S and H. So when S and H come together, they make the sound shh, shh. And the action for this sound is you putting a finger on your lips and saying shh, shh. Good. Now let's quickly go into today's song. The song goes like, hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be as quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh. Great job. Now let's quickly go into today's words. Add some sound dots and see if we can read them. These are today's words.
Okay, now, what's the first word? The first word has the sounds sh, e, l, f, sh, e, l, f, shelf, b, r, a, sh, br, a, sh, brush, sp, l, a, sh, sp, l, a, sh, splash, sh, a, k, sh, a, k,
Shock. Good job. Quickly, sound pictures and see if we can identify today's sound. So today's pictures, what's that? That's a fish. Fish. Now, can you hear today's sound in fish? Yes. Where is it? At the beginning, in the middle, or it's at the end? It's at the end. Fish. That's our word. What's that? It's a shop. Shop. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word shop? Yes. And where is it? At the beginning. Shop. Shop. Good. What's that? A sheep. Yes, a sheep. Now, can you hear today's sound in sheep? Yes. And where is it? It's at the beginning. Sheep. 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 What's that? It's a bench. Yes, it's a bench. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word bench? No. Bench. B-e-n-ch. Bench. Good job. Now quickly get your books and let's write the following sounds and words. Number 1, write the sound ch. Number 2, write the sound sh, sh, as in shop, sh. Number 3, write the sound or write the word ship, ship, ship. Have you seen the ship? It's sailing, ship. Lastly, write the word fix, fix. Who's going to fix my toy car? Fix. Good job. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, the Jolly Phonics guide is available at Beyond Ourselves Zambia. All you need to do is follow them on their Facebook page and then inbox them the code Uncle Sam sent me, and you can get this book at 10% discount. So remember, follow them, even share their page, and also inbox them Uncle Sam sent me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode. Bye.